Now let's unveil the smartphones. Realme 7 carrying the world's first G95 gaming processor, the Sony 64 megapixel sharpest quad camera, 30 watts dart charge, 5000 mAh milliamp hour battery, 90 Hz ultra smooth display, insert side fingerprint and the best quality certified by TUV Renlen. Comes with two different variants, 4GB, 64GB and 8GB, 128GB. The price for Realme 7 4GB, 64GB would be priced at That's all for the Realme 7 Pro. Sony's 64 megapixel sharpest new quad camera, 65 watt super dart charge, Super AMOLED display, Snapdragon 720G processor, dual speakers, Dolby sound, 3 car slot and the best quality certified by TUV Renlen. Realme 7 Pro is an amazing phone offering with all the desired features for a flagship experience. I believe you will definitely love it. So what's next? Yes, the other superstar for today, Realme 7. And I would like to invite Nidhi to bring you another powerful 64 megapixel camera phone. And over to you, Nidhi.
Thank you, Madhav. Hello, everyone. I'm Nidhi. Let me show you the other superstar for today. Let's start with the design. The Realme 7 features two beautiful and surreal colors, mist white and mist blue. As Madhav has introduced, we have applied the AG split design on Realme 7 also to bring the beautiful design inspired by nature and the premium touch and feel. Isn't this a beauty? Now let's talk about performance. This is the highlight of the day. As many of you must have seen Madhav playing games on Realme 7 and claimed we are launching world's first processor. Yes, it is the world's first processor, and as this Dare to Leap brand has always been doing, we decided to launch this powerful chipset first in India for Indian users before anywhere else. The MediaTek Helio G95. A significant improvement over its well-established last generation Helio G90T. The G95 adopts two A76 flagship cores on the CPU architecture with a total of 8 cores with the highest clock speed of 2.05 GHz. On the GPU side, the G95 has a Mali G76 and boosts the main frequency to a higher 900 MHz. It improves the experience of both performance and gaming, especially in scenarios that need processing of heavy graphics-oriented tasks. Through the AnTuTu score, you can see that the performance of the G95 is 10K higher than G90T and still the highest amongst competitors. As many of you have already experienced the power of G90T, you naturally know how G95 performs. Power sometimes comes with heating. To prevent that, Realme has adapted the carbon fiber cooling from Realme X2 Pro. Compared to traditional material, the new material we applied improves up to 8.6% cooling efficiency, keeping the phone's performance up to speed. Realme has had a long-lasting relationship with MediaTek and has brought so many firsts to India with them. We are doing that once again. To talk more on the superior processor, MediaTek Helio G95 for Realme 7, we have Mr. Kuldeep Malik, Director, Corporate Sales from MediaTek.
Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Malik, Director, Corporate Sales, MediaTek India. I would like to thank Nidhi and Realme team for giving MediaTek the opportunity to participate in the launch event. The new Realme 7 powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 chip featuring enhanced MediaTek Hyper-Engine gaming technology is a testimony of our fruitful association with Realme. It gives us great pride to state that Realme 7 is the first smartphone globally to feature our most powerful G-series chipset, the recently launched MediaTek Helio G95. We have always strived towards technology democratization, and Realme combines powerful performance with stylish design and offers us the perfect opportunity to create innovative solution enabling premium features. We are proud to state that MediaTek Helio processor powers a number of Realme smartphones, and we together have created many firsts. From the first world's P70 on Realme U1 to India's first G70 on Realme C3 to world first G80 on Realme Narzo 10, and now we together bring the world first G95 on Realme 7. The latest G95 offers user enhanced MediaTek Hyper Engine gaming technology, AI super resolution display, premium multi-camera support, and several other high-end features, offering premium features and an impressive combination of hardware and software to optimize performance and gameplay. The MediaTek Helio G95 enables smartphones with advanced gaming technology to offer you the best performance at this price. Powered by MediaTek Helio G95, Realme 7 will definitely be your best option if you need a powerful smartphone. I take this opportunity to congratulate Realme. MediaTek wishes Realme the very best. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Kuldeep and MediaTek. From hardware performance to software optimization, the Realme 7 is the flagship gaming smartphone in the segment. Now, how about we talk about the battery? Realme 7 is equipped with a massive 5000 mAh large battery and the latest 30-watt dart charge. Although the charging power is the same as Realme 6, an additional 700 mAh battery will definitely bring a longer battery life. In terms of charging speed, the Realme 7 charges to 50% in 26 minutes and can be charged to 100% in just 65 minutes. If we compare it with the charging speed of other products in the same segment, the Realme 7 series performs better than other 27-watt chargers, especially in the first 30 minutes, even when the Realme 7 has a much larger battery. Larger battery means longer battery life. Compared to Realme 6, the Realme 7 can stay longer in many scenarios. Battery life can be longer by 15 to 30%, which is a huge upgrade. As Realme 7 series also supports super power saving mode, just like our Battery King C series. With it, you can choose up to 6 apps and keep only them activated to achieve extreme long battery life. This mode would surely save you when your battery is running out and can't be charged immediately. And I want to specially mention that this feature came from one of our users who participated in the 100 Pioneer Challenge and was also the most loved feature by all. Now let's have a look at the display. The Realme 7 provides the most smooth experience in the segment. The refresh rate is 90 Hz and can be automatically adjusted between 90 Hz and 60 Hz according to different scenarios. The sampling rate of the display is 120 Hz, which means the display scans your finger touch 120 times per second, ensuring the fast response with no lag in gaming. The Realme 7 has a screen with 480 nits brightness, which makes the contents on the screen highly readable, even in the summer sun. Like the Realme 7 Pro, the Realme 7 also features a very small punch hole in the display with a 90.5% screen-to-body ratio, bringing immersive gaming and video experience. The fingerprint sensor is located on the side power button. It is the perfect location while you're reaching out to unlock your phone, giving you a fast, safe, and even more accurate unlock experience. Apart from that, the Realme 7 has a lot in common with the Realme 7 Pro. The Realme 7 is equipped with the second generation Sony IMX682 64-megapixel quad camera and supports many amazing advanced camera features like Starry Mode, night filters, UIS and UIS Max, ultra-wide angle videos. You want to know more about how it performs? Well, I won't share more details. But do you remember the theme of this launch event is Dare to Speak? Yes, we are glad to have our fans here today to show you their favorite Realme products and features. First, I would like to invite Neeraj, a hardcore Realme fan and also a shutterbug, to give you a brief introduction about his experience with the camera of Realme 7.
Thanks Nidhi and thanks Realme. I'm Neeraj Keti, a smartphone photographer since my college days, and today I have my own photography studio. For me, disruptive innovation is most important, and Realme defines the youth of India with its young DNA. I came to know about the brand back in 2018 when Realme 1 disrupted the market with its amazing specifications. No wonder Realme amassed such a huge fan base of tech-savvy Indians like me. What made me a real fan was when I gave detailed camera feedback to the team on Realme community. They actually fixed and implemented the same with a system update. This level of customer-centric attitude is definitely going to help Realme be number one. Having tested multiple mobiles over the years, I can vouch for the camera performance of Realme 7. It's blazingly fast, sharp, and produces true-to-life colors for even novice photographers. For skilled photographers like me, the Realme 7 offers a dedicated Pro mode with all the manual controls that you can think of in a smartphone camera. The 64-megapixel Sony sensor makes sure that the pictures are detailed enough even after cropping it in post-production. What really impressed me is the epic low-light performance, which gives you the option to fine-tune the settings. Now I would like to share some of the sample pictures I've taken a few days back. As you can see, the first picture, this was taken in the outskirts of New Delhi, and it was only possible due to the high shutter speed, which was exactly 1/4000th of a second. And that's the reason each and every bird is captured perfectly. Now let's come to the second picture, which is macro photography. So Realme 7 is incredible when it comes to macro photography. You can make things look larger than life with crisp details of the sensor. As you can see the third picture, this actually blew my mind, as the long exposure mode keeps the ISO low and the quality is top notch, as smartphones usually struggle in low light. Realme 7 excels in this particular department. Mobile photography will always remain close to my heart, as I started my journey with just a basic smartphone camera in my college. I learned everything from scratch from free resources online, and quickly brands started noticing my work. I also became the president of my photography society in the second year itself. Now I get paid to create content for different brands while getting to travel different places. I'm really grateful and can only thank mobile photography with my Realme devices for forcing me to get the basics right and then learning the whole creative process step by step. That's my story, a Realme story. Back to you, Nidhi.
Thank you, Neeraj, for sharing your experience with Realme 7. I believe the camera of Realme 7 series has surprised you. In order to provide a platform for the youth to express themselves with Realme devices, now we are starting a new photography contest. In 2019, we held our first Shot on Realme Global Photography Contest. Over 25,000 amazing entries were received, which impressed us a lot. This year, Realme has had a significant upgrade in night photography. Therefore, we have set up the night theme to encourage more Realme users to explore more possibilities of night photography with Realme devices, which contains 3 categories: street, neon, and starry. Also, we have set up the action theme, which includes 2 categories, sports and creativity, to encourage users to experience many optimizations in video shooting. There's something more. We found out that the Realme logo and interesting photos can always strike a spark. Therefore, we have set up a special theme. This is Realme. Upload your work on the event page and the Realme logo will automatically be layered on the center of your photo. It's your turn. Use your words to tell us what is Realme. Starting from today, 2020 Shot on Realme Global Photography Contest is officially launched, and the final winners will be unveiled at the end of December. The grand prize, the global top winner of the 2020 Shot on Realme Global Photography Contest, will be awarded with $10,000 and a Realme 7 Pro. The best. Now take your action and join in the night action. Now let's have a look at a short video of the Realme 7.
Realme 7. Capture sharper, charge faster. Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.
Okay, it's time to wrap it up. The Realme 7 is a powerful little brother you can't ignore. It has the world's first G95 gaming processor, the Sony 64-megapixel clearest new quad camera, 30-watt dart charge, 90Hz ultra-smooth display, and best quality certified by TÜV Rheinland as well. I assure you that Realme 7 is the perfect offering beyond your expectation.
Now let's unveil the smartphones. Realme 7, carrying the world's first G95 gaming processor, the Sony 64-megapixel sharpest quad camera, 30 watts dart charge, 5000 mAh battery, 90Hz ultra smooth display, insert side fingerprint, and the best quality certified by TÜV Rheinland. Comes with two different variants, 4GB, 64GB, and 8GB, 128GB. The price for Realme 7 4GB, 64GB would be priced at Rs 14,999 rupees only. The price for Realme 7 8GB, 128GB would be priced at 16,999 rupees only. But wait a moment, guys. I know you've been expecting more from me. Is 4GB enough for you? Well, we have a surprise for you. We know you are eager for bigger RAM always. So today's, with the price at Rs 14,999 only, we are featuring Realme 7 with big 6GB RAM. Yes, I believe you will love and enjoy this upgrade. So the price for Realme 6GB, 64GB Realme 7 would be 14,999 rupees only. The first sale for Realme 7 will be on 10th of September starting 12 noon, and it will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com. And soon will be available in the stores nearby you. But before I sign off, there's one more thing. I really miss traveling to the beautiful places across India, as well as meeting all the beautiful fans across. These photos and photo expedition, which we are going to start with a new initiative called Travel with Madhav, with which our travel ambassadors will help me travel across various states in India through the pictures shot by the lens of Realme 7 series. We have received numerous entries from across India on the community, and I am really excited to say that we will be announcing the travel brand ambassadors tomorrow. Making it even better, along with me, all our fans can visit the vibrant places of India through the lens of Realme 7 series on our official website pages. Thanks again for joining us today. Thank you very much once again. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye.